Hey yo, how you doing, Charlings? This here is my chicken coop, or chicken tractor, or mobile coop, mobile tractor, whatever you want to call it. And I want to show you how I move it. So basically, I've got this rope over here that I loop around the top when I'm done with it, and just take that off. I wrap it around behind me so you can see that. So it's behind me, the loop, and then just lean back and pull. And there we go, we're moving. So I move them every day, put them on fresh grass. I could leave them longer, but I don't want them walking around, sitting, digging, scratching where the poop is collected. You know, that way they stay nice and clean and healthy. And that's it. It's that simple. So if you're curious about how I built this, let me know. I'll give you a walkthrough with a little more detail. But that's it on the chicken coop. Take care. Bye, Shirelings.